5 o'clock. It's Monday, June 13th. Do not adjust your television set. I am Jason Powlis, in for Gary Liberatore this morning. And meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah. So we're all filling in this morning.
A bit of a mix-up in the morning show.
It is, so don't be a little bit alarmed here. We're still here, and we're still here to give you the news and weather you need to start your day. And Eric, we had some pretty heavy rain yesterday. Much calmer today, right?
Yes, much calmer. We did have some local rainfall amounts nearing 2 inches in some areas yesterday, but looking ahead towards today, drier conditions with partly cloudy skies heading in the afternoon. Tracking patchy fog in some areas this morning. A live look at a Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region for now. We're tracking rainfall heading into later on this week. Right now, it's currently 62 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with mostly cloudy skies and patchy fog and misty conditions because the humidity is 96% with dew point in the 60s. So our humidity is in the muggy category this morning as you head out the door. Just keep in mind for the conditions for humidity. Patchy fog and misty this morning. Clouds clearing up today. We're tracking a warm and dry start to the week heading into tonight and tomorrow. Today, though, temperatures are rising into the low 70s, breaking down the rainfall amounts from yesterday coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. A bipartisan group of senators.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking much drier conditions today after some light downpours, even to heavier downpours in some areas across central New York yesterday. A live look at our Marabra camera overlooking Oneonta. It is currently 62 degrees in the city of the hills right now. You can still see in some areas of lower elevation some patchy fog. So we'll be moving into some areas primarily in the Mohawk Valley and lower elevations heading out further to the west. Live look at Yorkville battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Most of the rainfall has moved out of our area and out to the east for now. Around the clock, what you can expect today, temperatures are going to start out in the 60s, rising into the lower 70s and remain in the lower 70s throughout the day today. The highest temperatures are looking to be in between 2 and 4 o'clock today. A bit gusty for wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour in the early morning and heading to 10 to 15 miles per hour winds in the afternoon and evening hours, primarily in the Mohawk Valley. You see the strongest winds. After some cloudy starts and some patchy fog this morning, it will clear up to sunny skies in the afternoon with dry conditions. Remain dry as we head into tomorrow as well. Here's a look at yesterday's rainfall amounts. Now, the front that moved through our area brought some locally heavy rainfall. You can see the big difference right here. Oppenheim with 2.3 inches of rainfall. Herkimer with 1.26 inches of rainfall. And this produced some minor flooding in some areas as well, some washed out roads as well. But you look ahead towards other areas as well, went down into the teens, and even Lawrence got only a trace amount of rainfall. So a big difference in rainfall on what we saw from yesterday. And this is a breakdown of what we saw. You look ahead, look back at what we saw yesterday. This is a more concentrated part of rain that moved through some areas, especially in Frankfort. And that there was a report of flooding in some areas in Frankfort as well. This will, some of this did cause some localized flooding, but other than that, things look pretty much after some scattered showers in the North Country. Things look mostly dry, as well as the southern valleys too. We also saw some dry conditions as well. Now looking ahead, we have a cold front moving past our area, and it will continue to remain dry as we head into the next couple of days. Mostly cloudy this morning, clears out by the afternoon. Temperatures rising into the low 70s with partly cloudy skies. Sunny skies in the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures still remaining in the low 70s. Tracking additional cooler temperatures tomorrow in the upper 40s to low 50s for early morning, rising into the upper 70s with partly cloudy skies heading into Tuesday. And heading into Wednesday, some additional showers are possible, looking to be on the brief side. Some thunderstorms are possible further south. More information on that will be coming in the next couple of days. But overall, this current track of rainfall heading into tomorrow or Wednesday. Today, highs in the 70s with decreasing clouds. Tonight, looking ahead towards mostly clear skies. Heading to tomorrow, partly sunny skies as well with temperatures in the upper 70s with breeze as well. Our 7-day forecast. It's looking dry for Monday and Tuesday. A return to rain possible on Wednesday before storms return heading into Thursday and Friday. Over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Intense fighting between you.
Good morning to Yorkville and all of the greater Utica region. Taking a look at temperatures, high temperatures across the area today. Starting out in the North Country, looking at temperatures rising into the upper 60s and low 70s in some areas, especially in Ohio and Alder Creek. Heading across the Mohawk Valley, temperatures still remaining in the low 70s, 74 in Utica, 72 in Frankfort, and 72 in Herkimer. Across Southern Valleys, a little bit chillier temperatures in the lower 70s to upper 60s. Hartwick was 69 degrees and Milford was 70 degrees. We're a bit on the cooler side compared to average heading to the next couple of days. We zoom out. Most of the entire United States is in a big heat wave. Most areas are seeing temperatures, record-breaking temperatures, especially in the Midwest areas, especially down toward Texas as well. We look to remain clear of much more of those record-breaking temperatures for this week. And looking at our chance of rain for the next couple of days, looking on the dry side, tracking rain showers returning into our area heading into Wednesday and Thursday. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Now with the shock area this morning, meteorologist Eric Gage is also in for Hannah. Joins us now to help you plan your day. His forecast never more than 10 minutes away and quiet compared to last night for sure.
Yes, that's right. Looking ahead toward drier conditions today. Patchy fog and clouds in the morning. It clears out by the afternoon, tracking much more sunny conditions as we head into the afternoon. A live look at a Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region now. The rainfall has moved out to the east. Currently, it is 63 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with patchy fog and misty conditions across some areas. Humidity is in the 90s, so we are tracking a bit muggy conditions for right now. The sunrise just a few minutes ago, but unfortunately, it is cloudy across some areas, so it's a bit hard to see the sunrise right now. Patchy fog and misty this morning. Clouds clear up today, tracking much more sunny weather as we head into the evening. Tracking warm and dry start to the week, heading into Tuesday, and rain showers start to arrive. We head into Wednesday. Today, though, temperatures rising into the low 70s, breaking down what to expect throughout the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. A bipartisan Senate group reached a framework for stricter gun safety laws over the weekend. This comes 3 weeks after 19 children and 2 teachers were killed when a teenager with an assault rifle opened fire at a Texas elementary school. NBC's Bree Jackson is in Washington with our top story this half hour.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. We're tracking partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, but heading out this morning, you're probably going to see some patchy fog and misty conditions. A live look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Sunrise happened about 20 minutes ago, but unfortunately you can't see it through all that haze and mist. It's unfortunately going to remain that way, at least for the next couple of this half hour to next hour or so. It looks to dry out as we head into the afternoon. Live look at a Yorkville battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Rainfall out to the east, looking dry across the board heading into the next couple of days. Around the clock, starting out today, temperatures in the 60s, rising into low 70s and remaining in the low 70s throughout the day. Highest temperatures in the afternoon between 2 and 4 o'clock. They look to cool down a little bit as we head into the evening. Once again, wind speeds on the gustier side. The morning hours, 5 to 10 mile per hour wind gusts, but heading into the afternoon and evening hours, looking ahead towards wind speeds in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range, and the wind speeds are primarily isolated in the Mohawk Valley as winds moving right down the Mohawk Valley. Now, mostly cloudy conditions to start out today. It looks to clear out by 9 to 10 o'clock with mostly sunny skies and partly cloudy skies scattered around the area heading into the afternoon. A quick recap of yesterday's rainfall. Locally heavy rainfall. This happens when storms are just isolated and gather strength in just a certain area. As you can see right here, Oppenheim with over 2 inches of rainfall accumulation, Herkimer as well with over 1 inch as well. But after that, we see a huge drop-off, accumulations across some areas down to 0.2 inches as well, and even trace amounts in Lawrence. This is what we saw yesterday. We'll do a quick rewind of the storms moving through our area. And this is what caused the localized flooding. It's a storm that moved across the area. It gathered a lot of strength of primarily moisture and just basically didn't produce any severe thunderstorms, not a lot of hail or anything as well, but just still a lot of localized rainfall that did cause some washouts. This was localized, especially in the Frankfort area. And as we look ahead toward the north, we saw more scattered showers as well in the southern valleys as well, more on the trace amounts. But look, as we can see right there, a lot of more localized rainfall. Now, currently right now, the cold front has moved beyond us. We're tracking drier weather heading into the next couple of days. Here's what to expect for today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Starting out this morning, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 60s, they'll rise into the 70s, and skies clear out with patchy fog clearing out as well. Remaining in the 70s throughout the day with mostly sunny skies, patchy conditions of cloudy skies as well in some areas as well. We head into Monday as well, heading into temperatures cooling down into the 40s, rising into the 70s, upper 70s. A very warm day tomorrow, with humidity on the rise as well. We head into Wednesday, looking at a possibility of a few scattered showers moving through our area. The severe weather threat is currently to the south. We'll bring you updates heading into the next couple of days what to expect for rainfall and severe weather heading into Wednesday. Today, highs in the low 70s with decreasing clouds, a bit breezy as well, especially the Mohawk Valley. Tonight, mostly clear, temperatures in the low 40s, a bit chilly with calm winds. Tomorrow, highs in the upper 70s, mostly sunny skies, a little bit less breezy as well, but still on the breezy side. We return to rain showers briefly on Wednesday before additional thunderstorms move through our area on Thursday and Friday. We dry out heading into Saturday and Sunday. Over to you, Jason.
All right, thank you very much, Eric. Now, a couple of washouts in Frankfurt.
Good morning and welcome back. Here's a look at your 4-day forecast heading into this week. Starting out with cloud conditions for the next couple of days. We start with numerous breaks for today. Sunshine most likely tomorrow as well. Numerous breaks as we head into Wednesday. Passing showers heading into the evening hours, and then thunderstorms will be into our area heading to Thursday. Here's our rainfall outlook heading into the next couple of days as well. Looking dry conditions for Monday and Tuesday. Heading into Wednesday, once again, passing showers and thunderstorms are looking to arrive heading into Thursday. And our wind outlook for the next couple of days is going to be breezy for today. Wind speeds and the breezy conditions. We look to be on the calm side for Tuesday and Wednesday. Return to breezy conditions as a front moves through our area heading into Thursday. Over to you, Jason.
Eric, thanks. Week 9 of our Go the Distance program begins tonight. The team is going 7.5. I'm Jason Paulus. That's right. Do not adjust your television or check your watch. It's not the evening show. I am in for Gary, and meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah. So we're filling in, but we're still getting the job done. And I'm looking over your shoulder. It's a little bit foggy out in some parts of the area.
Yeah, tricky travel in some areas, especially for the morning hours. It looks to clear out by 8 a.m. We're still tracking some widespread patchy fog. And additional to that, some misty conditions across some areas of central New York. A live look at our Cavity Tower camera. Still seeing some conditions of foggy conditions across some areas right now. Look at our radar, though. Things are looking pretty much dry with just some humid conditions, especially in some areas as well. Current temperature is 63 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with mostly cloudy skies. Sunrise a bit hard to see with the cloudy conditions across some areas as well. Dew point is in the lower 60s, so we are seeing much more humid conditions on the muggy side around this time this morning. Now, looking ahead towards today, the fog looks to clear out by the afternoon. Clouds clearing today as well. Moving into mostly sunny skies and partly cloudy skies as well. Warm and dry to start out the week. Temperatures rising into the upper 70s and low 80s. Today, though, highs reaching the low 70s, breaking down what to expect over the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Thank you. A bipartisan group of senators has...
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking misty conditions with patchy fog across some areas of central New York today. Looking ahead towards this afternoon, looking at much more clear conditions with partly cloudy skies. Now, it is a bit foggy, however, it's not stopping some areas, especially Oneonta, from seeing a beautiful sunrise. Look at our radar camera overlooking Oneonta. This is a very picturesque view right now. A bit on the hazy side, but still, you can see the sunny skies across the background. It looks like a painting was drawn in the sky. It's a beautiful sunrise as we head into today. Live look at York Pro Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Rainfall out to the east, remaining dry for the next couple of days as well. Skywatch temperatures in the 60s across some areas, 60 in New Hartford, 61 in Clinton. Across Southern Valleys, temperatures remaining in the upper 50s to low 60s as well. 60 degrees in Emerson with 56 in Morris and 59 in Edmiston. Around the clock today, temperatures are going to start out in the 60s, rise into the 70s, and remain in the mid-70s, some areas, lower 70s as well in some areas as we head into the evening hours. Between 2 and 4 o'clock seems to be the highest temperatures throughout the day. A bit breezy, a little light breeze in the early morning hours. It picks up to 10 to 15 mile-per-hour winds, especially in the Mohawk Valley as we head into the evening hours today. On the breezy side, it will continue to remain on the sunny side as we head into the evening as well. A bit cloudy to start out, but skies look to clear as fog looks clear as well as we head into the evening. Yesterday's rainfall, we saw patchy amounts of really excessive rainfall. Some localized flooding was not on the severe side, but still some areas and roads were washed out. Local reports 2.3 inches in Oppenheim, Herkimer 1.26, and our Skywatcher in New Hartford checked in with over an inch as well at 1.75. Now, it was locally heavy because you look into some areas as well in the North Country and Southern Valleys, things look to be on the less strong side in the lower teens as well as even to the 0.2 inches of rainfall. Now, rewinding what we saw yesterday, most of the heavy rainfall was primarily isolated in the Frankfurt area, heading out towards Utica as well. Southern Utica saw the heaviest rainfall, and other areas only saw some scattered showers and storms, and not look to be on the excessive rainfall side. So that all that rainfall was just primarily in the a little bit on the east side of the Utica region. Now, heading into the next couple of days, we're drying out as a cold front moves through our area, and this is what to expect heading into the next couple of days. Starting out with today, a bit on the cloudy side, looks to clear out by the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 70s. Will look to remain dry heading into tomorrow as well. Temperatures remaining in the upper 70s as well. A bit on the cool side tonight, but still remaining in the 40s for tomorrow, early tonight and early tomorrow. On Wednesday, we return to more warm conditions, passing showers as we head into later on Wednesday. We return to much more cloudy conditions heading into Thursday as well. We'll return to some storms. Today, highs in the 70s with decreasing clouds, a bit breezy as well. Tonight on the calm side, lows in the upper 40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, temperatures in the 70s with mostly sunny skies. Warm up throughout the start of this week. Temperatures remaining in the upper 70s to low 80s. We return to storms heading into Thursday and Friday. Over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Intense fighting between Ukrainian and Russian.
We're saying good morning to Yorkville and all of the greater Utica region. Here's a look at high temperatures across the area today. Starting out in the North Country, we're looking at temperatures rising into the upper 60s, 68 in Inlet and 69 in Eagle Bay, as well as 68 degrees in Atwell. Across the Mohawk Valley, temperature a little bit warmer in the lower 70s, 76 degrees, more in the lower 70s, 74 as well. 73 in Frankfort, 74 in Herkimer, and 74 once again in Ilion. Across the Southern Valleys, a bit on the cooler side, still in the lower 60s to upper 60s to lower 70s, 71 in Cooperstown, 71 in Hartwick, and 72 in New Berlin. Now, overall, looking ahead towards this week, we're on the cooler side compared to average for this time of year. However, we zoom out a little bit. Most of the country is seeing record-breaking heat, mainly in the Texas area, moving up towards the north, towards Nebraska and South Dakota. Now, looking ahead, we're looking to remain clear as you see that cooler side, the break of the temperatures right here out towards Washington, D.C., as well as Virginia as well. Now, looking ahead towards our rainfall for the next couple of days, looking ahead towards much more dry conditions, especially for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Return to rain showers later on Wednesday, as well as some thunderstorms we head into Thursday. Back to you, Jason.
Thank you. Now with the shocking caught on camera, Eric Gage in for Hannah, as you just heard. He joins us now, and there is a little bit of fog out there, so if you're heading out the door, take it easy, just be aware, slow down for a little bit, but mostly it's going to be a beautiful day.
Yes, beautiful day. It was patchy fog this morning, mostly cloudy skies. It looks to clear out heading the afternoon, looking ahead towards a beautiful day with highs in the low 70s. A live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry in our area right now. Once again, patchy fog and misty conditions in some areas as well. Humidity is very high. Current temperature is 63 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with mostly cloudy skies right now. Humidity is 93%, and our dew point is in the 60s, so we are in a muggy category for dew point right now in the level 3 out of 5 for humidity. Now, looking ahead towards today, the patchy fog and mist looks to clear out by this afternoon, as well as clouds clearing. Look towards more sunny skies by the evening and warm and dry start to the week. Temperatures rising into the upper 70s and low 80s as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, today, though, highs reaching the low 70s, breaking down what to expect for the next couple of days coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. A bipartisan Senate group reached
Our most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
We're tracking much more cloudy conditions in the early morning hours. It returns to sunshine by the evening hours. Temperatures rising into the low 70s. A live look at a Rambo camera overlooking the city of Utica. Mostly cloudy skies right now. Peaks of sunshine, especially underneath the cloud base right now. Misty conditions from the rainfall that did move through our area yesterday. We're looking to remain dry as we head into the afternoon evening hours for today and even tomorrow as well. A warm and dry start to the week. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things looking dry across the region right now. The current green on your radar you're seeing right now is mainly some low-level density fog in our area heading into later on this morning. It looks to dry out as we head into this morning as well. Live look at what to expect. Our temperatures right now, 61 degrees in Clinton, 60 in New Hartford. Across Southern Valleys, a bit more temperatures. We have temperatures in the 60s, 62 in Cooperstown as well as Milford, with 60 degrees in Lawrence and 56 in Morris, as well as 60 or 59 degrees in Edmiston. Around the clock today, temperatures will start out rising into the 60s and 70s by noon, remaining in the low 70s in the afternoon and evening hours, 73 degrees, 74 degrees as we head into 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Remain on the breezy side, especially in the evening hours, 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts, and the strongest winds are primarily going to be in the Mohawk Valley. Weather grades, a bit cloudy to start out today. We look to clear out into more sunny skies by the afternoon and evening hours, mostly sun as we head into 3 or 4 o'clock, partly cloudy skies throughout most of the day. A recap of what happened yesterday, some locally heavy rainfall from a single storm that brought some intense rainfall and some minor flooding in some areas. Oppenheim recorded over 2 inches, Herkimer with over 1 inch as well. And after that, we get a huge drop off down into the decimals, 0.2 inches in Springfield, and just trace amounts as we head down further south into Lawrence. And a quick recap of what actually happened yesterday. We zoom back into around 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. This is the storm that caused that locally heavy rainfall. It's a strong, you can see right here, if you zoom in, right near Frankfurt, it's that dark patch that proves very heavy rainfall. And this was in a local area. So look to the north yesterday, a lot of just patchy rain showers, more scattered as well. Not looking like to see we saw any sort of severe flooding in some areas as well. In the southern valleys too, we also saw some scattered rain showers, but only one of them appeared to create some localized flooding. Heading into today, looking ahead towards more drier conditions, the cold front has moved beyond us, or risk of weather for the next couple of days looks to be on the low side to none as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Our radar and satellite, we're on the upward slide for cloud cover. It looks to be on the clear side. We head into later on this evening. Temperatures rising into the low 70s with mostly sunny skies. We return to drier conditions throughout the day today and tomorrow. Lows in the 40s for tonight. We return to more drier conditions and warmer conditions in the upper 70s to low 80s as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Passing showers as we head into Wednesday as well. Later on in the evening between 5, but early on as well in the morning, and head into more dry conditions. We head into the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures rising into the 80s. Today, highs in the low 70s, decreasing clouds. You return to much more cooler temperatures in the low 40s, mostly clear skies tonight. Dry conditions tomorrow, highs in the 70s and mostly cloudy skies. A bit breezy as well, not as breezy as today though. Dry conditions to continue as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We return to more unsettled weather as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Over to you, Jason.
All right, thank you, sir. A couple of washouts in Frankfurt. This is a video from last night. Take a look. Video.
Here's a quick 4-day forecast before we head out the door this morning. Starting out with cloud cover, looking at some more numerous breaks as we head into today. More on the sunny side for Tuesday. We return to more breaks as we head into Wednesday, and additional showers as we return into Thursday. This is a look for rainfall as well. Rainfall amounts looking to be dry for today and tomorrow. We return to brief showers, specifically in the morning hours as we head into Wednesday. Return to widespread rain showers, primarily for thunderstorms as we head into Thursday. And our wind outlook for the next couple of days, a bit breezy today, breezy conditions for today. We look to more humid conditions, or a lot more less breezy conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, and we return to much more breezy conditions as a front moves through our area heading into Thursday. Over to you, Jason.
Thank you. Week 9 of our Go the Distance program. 8 o'clock. It's Monday, June 13th. I'm Jason Paulus in for Gary. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah and joins us now to help you plan your day. His forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning, Jason. We're looking ahead towards a beautiful day today. Temperatures in the 70s with a little on the higher side for humidity, but overall beautiful conditions. Starting out today, though, some patchy fog and some patchy mist as well. Here's a look at what to expect for the bus stop forecast. You head out the door this morning. Temperatures start out in the 60s. Patchy fog, a little bit misty as well as you head out later on this evening. Temperatures in the low 70s with breezy conditions throughout later on this evening. Sunny skies as well. Look ahead towards today. Once again, starting out cloudy, return to sunshine as we head into noon and around 5 o'clock as well. Temperatures in the low 70s tonight. Mostly partly cloudy skies. Temperatures falling into the low 50s and upper 40s. A bit chilly as we head into tonight. And once again, keeping an eye on what to expect for rainfall as we head into the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Jason.
All right, Eric, thank you. A bipartisan Senate group reached.
And welcome back. As you just saw a couple minutes ago on our Cavity Tower cam, we saw some much more misty conditions, low-level clouds, and patchy fog. Now, the good news is today it looks to clear out as we head into the afternoon. Look at what to expect for sunshine next 4 days. We clear out with numerous breaks later on today with partly cloudy skies to mostly sunny skies as we head into the evening. Return to more sunshine on Tuesday and a bit on Wednesday with additional showers possible in the morning hours. We return to more rain showers as we head into Thursday with increasing cloud cover. And what to expect for rainfall as well. Look to remain dry for today and tomorrow. Once again, possible brief showers as we head into Wednesday. Return to rain showers and thunderstorms as we head into Thursday and Friday. And our wind outlook, a bit breezy today, especially in the Mohawk Valley. Wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Looks to be on the less breezy side for Tuesday and Wednesday. Return to more breezy conditions as we head into Thursday as a cold front will continue to move into our area. Over to you, Jason.
All right, thanks very much, Eric. A couple of washouts.
Good morning and welcome back. We're tracking patchy fog and misty conditions this morning with temperatures in the lower 60s. A live look at our Cavity Tower camera. We're seeing some fog in our area right now. However, we look ahead towards our Maraboto camera. Seeing the misty conditions underneath the fog base. Looking ahead, the fog is primarily in higher elevations right now, especially near rivers as well, and heading up towards higher elevations as well. But misty conditions underneath the cloud cover right now. Mostly cloudy skies in the Utica-Rome region right now. Temperatures once again in the low 60s. Humidity is in the higher end. Humidity in the low 90s with dew points in the low 60s as well. So we're currently in a muggy category for humidity right now. Weather headlines: patchy fog turns to much more clear conditions this afternoon. Clouds clearing as well. Return to warm and drier conditions to start this week and turning to rain showers we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Today, though, highs in the lower 70s, breaking down what to expect over the next few days coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Okay, thanks very much. In honor of U.S. Army's
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking widespread patchy fog and misty conditions with temperatures in the lower 60s. This afternoon, it looks to clear out with highs in the lower 70s. A live look at a Meteorological camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. We're tracking misty conditions with, once again, some patchy fog and much more higher elevations as we head into this morning. It looks to clear out by 8 and 9 a.m. today. Live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry except for the possibility of a few patchy places of fog, especially that green in the area is tracking some low-level clouds. The humidity is very high in some areas as well, but overall dry conditions for this morning. Skywards temperatures in the 60s, 61 in Clinton, 60 in New Hartford. Across Southern Valleys, temperatures remaining in the upper 50s to low 60s as well. 59 degrees in Emerson with 62 in Cooperstown and Milford with 60 in West Lawrence and Lawrence. Around the clock today, we start out in the 60s. We'll rise into the 70s and mid-70s as we head into the early afternoon. Between 2 and 4 o'clock, we'll see temperatures in the low to mid-70s. We head into the afternoon as well. Wind speeds picked up, much more gusty winds, 10 to 15 mile per hour sustained winds, especially in the Mohawk Valley for the highest probability of much more windy conditions. Around the clock today, the clouds look to clear out by the early morning hours. By 10, 11 o'clock, more sunny conditions and sunny skies as we head into 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. A beautiful day ahead. Yesterday's rainfall, the total amounts are basically just kind of skewed. So Oppenheim had a recording of over 2 inches, Herkimer as well with inches in the over an inch as well, and so much more less significant rainfall, especially in Westmoreland, Springfield, Brooklyn, and Lawrence. So the rain showers were very isolated yesterday. And here's what we saw if we just rewind back over to last night around 7 to 8 o'clock. There's one storm that produced a lot of locally heavy rainfall. You can see that dark red moving right over Frankfort and southern Utica. It moved over areas well. That's why I saw rainfall accumulations over an inch in a very short period of time. That caused some localized flooding on the minor side. Now heading into today, the conditions look to dry out. The cold front has moved beyond our area, so looking to remain dry as we head into today and tomorrow for a return to showers heading into Wednesday and Thursday. Radar and satellite turning into our skycast. Clear conditions as we head into this afternoon. Temperatures in the lower 70s. Return to cooler conditions as we head into tonight. A bit on the chilly side, upper 40s to low 50s with clear skies. Warmer conditions as we head into tomorrow. Temperatures rising in the upper 70s to low 80s with mostly sunny skies. As we head into Wednesday and early Wednesday morning, we're tracking a few showers moving into our area. They look to be on just the non-severe side. More storms are further south. This could change as we head into Wednesday. After that, dry conditions as well. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. Today, high in the 70s, decreasing clouds, a bit breezy as well. Tonight in the low 40s, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, highs in the upper 70s, mostly sunny skies. Our 7-day forecast, we continue to rise in the 70s and 80s by Tuesday and Wednesday before we return to rain showers by Wednesday and Thursday.
Fabulous food and super savings.
Eric Gage is standing by in the Weather Center.
Good afternoon. Looking ahead towards partly cloudy skies, making way to mostly sunny skies this afternoon after we looked at patchy fog and misty conditions this morning. Here's a live look at our Caviar Tower camera. Things are looking a lot more nicer, a bit breezy out there right now on the humid side as well. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Current temperature is 71 degrees with mostly sunny skies in the Utica-Rome region. Now, dew point is in the lower 50s right now, so we are in the less humid category, almost on the comfortable side, in between comfortable and refreshing. Now, we head into weather headlines for today. Clouds will be clearing. It will be dry today. Going to cooler temperatures tonight, falling into the 40s and 50s. We're tracking warmer and more humid weather ahead as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Today, though, highs in the 70s, decreasing clouds, breaking down what to expect for rainfall as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. Well, today,
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon and welcome back. We're tracking beautiful but breezy conditions across central New York today. A live look at a Meteorological camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Currently, it is already almost 75 degrees in the city of Oneonta right now, so it is a little bit warmer than expected because we're seeing a lot more sunny skies earlier on in the day. And a live look across central New York on our New York State Mesonet cameras. Beautiful conditions across city New York as well. Blue skies all the way from Morrisville out to Herkimer and down to Lawrence and Brookfield. A beautiful day ahead of us today. Live look at our York 4 battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Looking dry across the region for now. Not expecting rainfall at least until we head into Wednesday and Thursday. It's looking like a beautiful day today. Also to get work done out in the patio if you want as well. Current temperatures remaining in the 70s with dry conditions. A bit breezy, however, but overall looking like a beautiful day to do some work outside if you're working from home today. Radar and satellite, we're tracking a low pressure still moving out of our area right now. The cold front has moved out of our area for now. So what that means is we're looking at dry conditions as a high pressure system is currently over our area. Looking ahead, we're seeing dry conditions with clear skies heading into today and even tomorrow as well, even possibly into Wednesday before we bring some showers, especially into Wednesday and Thursday. Looking ahead in our skycast, what to expect for the next couple of days. Starting out today, looking dry and in the 70s with mostly clear skies, tracking a few passing clouds as well, heading into later on this evening as well. Going into Tuesday morning, a bit cool in the upper 40s to low 50s, going back into the 70s and remaining in the upper 70s to low 80s. We head into tomorrow, we continue to see warmer and more humid conditions as we head throughout the week. Falling into the 60s again for Wednesday, and return to see possibly have a few showers. This might dry up as it heads into early Wednesday morning. The current tracker now is a bit brief and looking at cloudy conditions to start out and turning to much more partly cloudy skies, and once again temperatures in the 80s. Now here's a quick preview of what we're expecting for Thursday. We're not expecting a complete washout, but just keep in mind we already have an outlook 4 days in advance for some severe weather possibilities, especially out in the western part of New York. Now this yellow right here is going to be the primary area that's going to be moving further south and north. Once again, this is our long range forecast, so it's not going to be producing any extremely accurate results of where to expect any sort of thunderstorms. We're tracking storms heading into Thursday, and this is a quick preview of where to expect it. Now, if this slows down, we could be clear of a lot of those issues. If it goes into later on in the morning, the severe weather risk looks to weaken as we head into the early morning. Our temperatures for the next couple of days as well, going into much more warmer conditions, already hitting the 80s as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. We cool down, though, as a cold front moves through our area, falling into the upper 70s as we head into Friday. So for today, a bit breezy, highs in the 70s with decreasing clouds. A beautiful day today, cooling down in the lower 50s to upper 40s tonight, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, a bit warmer, highs in the upper 70s, mostly cloudy skies, mostly sunny skies, a bit less breezy. Our 7-day forecast, we continue to see warmer temperatures once again. We return to showers and storms as we head into Thursday and Friday. Drier conditions as we head into the weekend on Saturday and Sunday.
Why, thank you so much, Eric. Once again, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon. We are seeing partly cloudy skies to mostly sunny skies this afternoon, narrowly dodging a group of severe weather moving into southern parts of as we head into Pennsylvania. Just a look at the severe weather risk for the eastern part of the United States. You see this enhanced risk moving down further south towards Pennsylvania and Maryland. Now, what's going on right now? We'll take a quick recap of what we're talking about for scales. So keep in mind, this is the global scale, which is usually jet streams. They influence fronts, which are synoptic scales. We zoom in, those scales produce thunderstorms, which are called mesoscale events. And to zoom in even closer, we're tracking much more on the microscale, which is tornadoes. And what this means is that we're having it's called an MCS event. It's when a storm system rotates enough. It's a mesoscale convective system, which is also called a medium scale organized rotating storm. Now, it is moving further south, so thankfully this is looking to remain out of our area for today. We'll keep an eye on it as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Today, high temperatures in the 70s, breaking down what to expect for rainfall heading into Wednesday and Thursday coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. With beach and pool weekends in full.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon and welcome back. After a cloudy and misty start to today, temperatures are rising into the 70s and clouds are clearing out. It's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley in the city of Utica. We're seeing blue skies slowly moving to our area, looking to see increases in sunny skies as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. A live look across central New York right now on our New York State Mesonet as well. Once again, beautiful skies, a bit breezy, however, but looking ahead, a dry stretch of weather as we head into today and tomorrow, warming up into the 70s and 80s heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. A live look At a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking dry right now. Not looking to expect to see any precipitation, at least for the near future. There is a system moving down from the south, heading below us. Could possibly see some scattered rain showers down further south, looking to be below the Oneonta area, especially down below Otsego County for now. A relief in the allergies is on the way. Heading into today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, we're on the medium level risk of allergies for the time being. The biggest culprits right now are grass, dock, and oak, and thankfully, we're finally not in the high range, at least for the near future. Radar and satellite, we are now behind a cold front right now, and because of the high pressure system over our area right now, we're seeing clear conditions. This will be the case as we head into tomorrow and Wednesday. Possible brief showers heading early on. Now, thankfully, looking to remain dry as the system does move further south. And here's what to expect for cloud cover and precipitation as we head into today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Starting out today, temperatures in the 70s, looking like a beautiful but breezy day, especially in the Mohawk Valley. That's where we're going to see the highest wind gusts. Remaining in the 70s with clear skies heading into the evening hours. Additional possible clouds looking mainly clear tonight. Temperatures falling into the 40s and 50s. A bit chilly. Warm right back up again on heading to tomorrow. Temperatures rising into the 70s and 80s. A warm and a little more humid for tomorrow. A little less breezy as well. Once again, a dry day to tomorrow. Now, tracking increasing cloud cover heading into Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. And possibly a few showers. If this is dry enough, this is looking to move further down to the south. So we're looking to expect to see mostly dry conditions as we head into Wednesday. This is brief as we head into the afternoon hours on Wednesday, looking ahead towards partly cloudy skies. Temperatures once again in the upper 70s to low 80s. And this is a preview of what to expect for Thursday. We're tracking a system moving through our area, a cold front. Now, this could bring some possible severe weather. There's currently a 15% outlook right now for areas out to the west for Thursday. We'll keep it updated as we head in the next couple of days on what to expect as we head into Thursday. Today, highs in the 70s with decreasing clouds, a bit breezy as well going into tonight. A bit on the mostly clear side, a bit chilly as well. Temperatures in the 40s. Tomorrow, high is 78, mostly sunny skies. Our 7-day forecast will remain warm heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. Return to showers heading into Wednesday night and into Thursday, passing thunderstorms as we head into Friday and looking ahead towards more dry conditions for Saturday and Sunday. Over to you.
Thank you so much.
Time now for a first look at the forecast and a beautiful day outside after a really rainy day yesterday. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis joins us now. And Bill, A-OK today.
Yeah, and it's great if you're training for the Boilermaker. This is a perfect evening to get out. Our Go the Distance team is running tonight, and if you're joining them, it's, again, just a wonderful evening. Low humidity, sunshine, comfortable temperatures in the low 70s with plenty of sunshine. Beautiful picture of some clouds today. This was taken by Janice Hillage in Whitesboro. It's called cloud iridescence. It's when you get some color in the sky. Kind of looks like a rainbow. It's a similar effect to what happens with soap bubbles. When the light hits it just right, it gives off that rainbow appearance. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. Current temperature 74, low humidity, and a breeze. And we're going to continue to see cool weather as we head into tonight. Mostly clear skies. Another beautiful day tomorrow. The weather is trending warmer as we look ahead. This evening, temperatures in the 70s under mostly sunny skies. Again, some warmer weather ahead. We're tracking our next chance of rain. Look at that forecast is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, we'll check in with you shortly.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking beautiful weather for the next couple of days in central New York. Actually, we could definitely use it. Getting a chance to dry out after some locally heavy rain yesterday. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAB tower cam. The humidity is low. We have mostly sunny skies. We're overlooking the city of Utica. Overall, just a nice day. We're going to get another one like this tomorrow with less wind. It's been a breezy day. The winds will be subsiding as we head towards sunset. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the region. And again, very comfortable conditions. We're in the low 70s. Across most of the area. Westmoreland 74, Whitesboro 72, Deansboro 71, Big Moose in northern Herkimer County 67 degrees, Sherburne 77, Hamilton 72, and Norwich with 73. Great weather to take the dog or dogs out for a walk. Sunshine, comfortable. Again, that breeze continues, but it does become lighter as we head towards sunset. Tonight's featured dogs, Max and Kate from New Hartford. If you want to be part of this, send in your dog pictures to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. We are north of a battle zone in the Northeast today, and for the rest of the week, we're going to be avoiding a significant heat wave that's taking place across the Southeast, Parts of the Carolinas are expected to see triple-digit heat. That's going to stay to the south. But where that boundary is between the Northeast and the Carolinas, we have very strong weather taking place. Severe weather expected across Ohio and into Indiana as we head into tonight. But again, in the Northeast, things are looking dry. So for the most part, quiet weather in our area, but very different story not that far away. Eventually, some of this warm weather is going to try to lift northward as we head into the end of the week. While it's not even close to triple-digit heat, it will start to get warmer, looking at temperatures in the 80s as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, with a better chance for storms later in the week as some cooler weather approaches. A look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. The weather looks dry and it's cool. You can leave the windows open. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. We're looking at dry and sunny weather tomorrow, a beautiful afternoon, not as breezy. Temperatures in the upper 70s. The weather remains dry tomorrow night. We might see a brief sprinkle here early Wednesday morning. This is part of a warm front that's going to allow temperatures to climb into the 80s and turning noticeably more humid Wednesday afternoon. But again, we're looking at lots of sunshine here Wednesday and warmer temperatures. Tonight, mostly clear. We're down to 48 degrees tomorrow. Looking at mostly sunny skies. Again, another nice afternoon, a high of 78. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We do warm up into the low 80s Wednesday and Thursday. It becomes a lot more humid. We are keeping an eye on Thursday. Widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some rain on Friday, and then we swing the other direction. It's actually going to be a very comfortable weekend. Temperatures in the upper 60s, which, it's going to be a real treat.
I was going to say, and it's hard to predict how this is going. A couple Sundays ago, it was beastly hot, and now going to be.
We're going the other way.
Going the other way. Yeah. Hopefully, it gets more normal though in July. Some really folks who really love summer want those temperatures to keep climbing. All right, Billy, we'll check in again shortly. A traffic alert for tomorrow morning to tell you. Look at a nicer forecast, not the economy. We'll talk about the weather, and Bill Cardis here, and boy, what a gorgeous day today.
Yeah, temperatures are going up. It's going to feel a little bit more like summer this week, although we're going to miss out on some of the really hot weather. We're going to talk about rainfall. We had some locally heavy rain yesterday, and it's been a generally wet start to June. The first half of June, we're seeing rainfall totals between about 3 to as much as 5 inches. What happened yesterday, some of the heavier totals happened locally in the Mohawk Valley. Herkimer, 4.6 inches. This is, again, for all of June so far. Oppenheim picking up a total of 5 inches. About half of that fell yesterday in some of those heavier downpours that took place. Thankfully, we have a generally dry weather pattern ahead. We're looking at beautiful weather tomorrow and Wednesday before some wet weather returns, some showers, some thunderstorms by Thursday and Friday. It's dry out there this evening. Temperatures staying in the 70s. We're tracking some warmer weather ahead. Look at that temperature trend is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, thanks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. A lovely day across the region. Lots of sunshine. Let's take a live look outside our Mirabido Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. Again, plenty of sunshine will continue as we head into this evening. With clear skies, low humidity, and winds becoming light, it's a recipe for cool temperatures today. We're going to drop down into the upper 40s. Very comfortable. You can leave the windows open and go into bed. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry, and it will stay dry for the next couple of days, which is good news because we could use a break from the rain. Yorkville checking in with 74 sky watchers. Barneveld 74 degrees. Boonville 73. Forestport Mike with 71. Donna and Norway 70 degrees. Jeff and Mohawk 73. Across Southern Valleys again, just very comfortable temperatures this evening. Stewart and Cooperstown 73. Morris and West Lawrence with 75. And Mark and Milford checking in with 73 degrees. The bigger picture shows a dome of high pressure in upstate New York. This is keeping us dry. This is also keeping us away from some strong weather. Some violent storms are expected to develop tonight and into early tomorrow across Ohio and into northern Virginia and towards our nation's capital. The bigger story is a large dome of heat that is developing across the middle part of the country. Triple-digit heat in the Carolinas over the next couple of days. We managed to avoid this. The jet stream patterns are going to be predominantly from the north, which keeps the northeast out of this. We'll get a small increase in the temperature for the middle of the week, but the heat ends up going to the west, and we end up getting into some cooler weather as we head into the weekend. So our temperature trend, yes, it will feel a little bit more like summer here as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, but again, we're going to avoid some of that really strong heat building in our nation's midsection. So our live look at our skycast rather tonight. Clear skies, overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. Beautiful day tomorrow. Less wind compared to today. Plenty of sunshine. Highs in the upper 70s. The weather remains dry tomorrow night. We could see a sprinkle early Wednesday. This is part of a warm front that will increase the humidity for Wednesday afternoon. So Wednesday is slightly warmer, noticeably more humid, and still looking dry with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures in the low 80s. We're mostly clear tonight. We're down to 48. Tomorrow, a lovely day. Mostly sunny, less wind. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Noticeably warmer and more humid Wednesday and Thursday. A cold front on Thursday could spark some showers and storms. A couple of those could be on the stronger side. We're keeping a close eye on that day. Looking at some rain for Friday, 77, and a sharp drop in the temperature. We're only looking at highs in the 60s over the weekend. Mostly cloudy Saturday, dry, sunshine on Sunday, highs close to 70 as we look ahead to Monday. We'll be right back.
Our first forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Bill, good evening once again.
Yeah, good evening, Steve. A beautiful day across the region. Lots of sunshine, breezy, but very comfortable. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're going out to enjoy a nice evening, the weather should stay dry. Current temperature is 72. We have low humidity and a light breeze. We've picked up quite a bit of rain over the past couple of weeks. Just wanted to touch upon rainfall in June so far. Oppenheim picking up 5 inches of rain. About half of that fell yesterday. There's some localized, very heavy rain from some of those storms that did produce some localized flooding. Thankfully, going forward, we're expecting dry weather. And by the way, those numbers that you see on your screen, that's about twice what we typically get for this time period in June compared to average. We're mostly clear and cool tonight. Another beautiful day tomorrow. Some warmer weather is on the way as we head into the middle of the week. Mostly sunny skies this evening. Temperatures in the 70s. A couple of nice days ahead, but we are tracking our next chance of rain. Look at that forecast is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, thanks. The National
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're expecting nice weather and much needed dry weather over the next couple of days. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Lots of sunshine, low humidity. It's been breezy today, but the wind will be dying down as we head towards sunset. And it is dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're looking to get out, cut the lawn, this is a great evening to do that. We've got a couple of days ahead to do that as well. Tomorrow, Wednesday, looking dry. Our next chance of showers will be on Thursday, some widespread showers and storms. So getting the lawn cut sooner than later would be a good idea. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. As we look at our sky watchers this evening, again, just very comfortable temperatures. Barneveld 74, Yorkville 74, Clinton Bob with 72. Across Southern Valley, it's a little bit warmer in southern Otsego County. Harry and Otsego with 80 degrees. West Lawrence, Diane checking in with 75. Again, comfortable weather across the Northeast. There is heat building in the south. The Carolinas expected to get into the triple digits over the next couple of days. And between our comfortable weather here in the Northeast and the scorching heat in the south, we find this battle zone where some very violent weather will be developing tonight and tomorrow. You'll likely hear about this in the national news. Ohio, Indiana getting a high risk of some strong storms tonight and into early tomorrow. This is going to entirely miss us, and so is the heat. The heat is going to stay to the south, and eventually it will move to the west. We'll get a small taste of this for Wednesday and Thursday, but it just means slightly warmer temperatures here, looking at highs in the 80s. Again, we will look out in terms of the high heat. A live look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. We stay dry tonight. Clear skies. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. Comfortable as we get into tomorrow morning on the cool side, actually. Looking at sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Less wind. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s. A warm front approaches from the west, and this could produce a shower late tomorrow night and into early Wednesday. The push of warmth isn't all that strong. It will become more humid. Temperatures climb into the low 80s on Wednesday, and we're looking at more sunshine. Tonight, mostly clear, down to 48 degrees. Tomorrow, really nice day. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Warmer weather ahead Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures in the low 80s. Thursday afternoon, a cold front arrives. This produces some showers and storms, possibly some stronger storms. We're keeping an eye on that day. On Friday, showers, 77 for the high, and it turns sharply cooler for the weekend. Comfortable, but not very June-like. Temperatures in the upper 60s on Saturday and Sunday. Steve, back to you.
Wow, and see some lows in the upper 40s there, too. Almost October-like. All right, thanks a lot, Bill. Still to come on News Channel.
Tonight, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, Sayara, we've got beautiful weather here over the next couple of days. An almost full moon in the sky tonight. It's technically full tomorrow night, but you've got great viewing tonight. This picture from Ruben Pratt. This is called the full strawberry moon. Not because the moon is pink, but rather this is the time of the year where the strawberries come out. And again, the moon will be out in the sky tonight, becoming full tomorrow. And we should have nice viewing tomorrow night as well. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the area. It was a lovely day. Temperatures climbed into the 70s. We got some nice weather ahead, too. It's cooler, a temperature of 62 degrees, presently clear skies. You could leave the windows open tonight. We're expecting overnight lows to drop down into the upper 40s. A cool night for June, but we are going to warm up again over the next couple of days. A little bit more warmer weather on the way. We're also tracking that along with our next chance of rain, and that's coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. Oneida County.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening, a very pleasant evening across central New York. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam as we overlook the city of Utica. We are cooling off tonight. We're expecting overnight lows to drop down into the upper 40s, so a cool night ahead. I wanted to touch upon rainfall in the month of June. We are running ahead of schedule with rain. A lot of this happened in just a couple of events, really 3 events that brought this rain to the area. The highest rainfall total from the New York State Mesonet, Oppenheim, getting 5 inches of rain. Half of that fell yesterday alone in some of those thunderstorms that dropped very heavy rainfall in parts of the Mohawk Valley. Thankfully, looking ahead, we expect a dry weather pattern for the next couple of days. We really do need the dry weather to lower the risk for any additional flooding. And again, we're in better shape going forward. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's looking dry. If the rain that we've been getting lately means you have to cut the lawn, tomorrow and Wednesday should be decent days for that. Our next chance of rain is on Thursday with showers and thunderstorms. Our MoCast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Let's take it around the clock tomorrow. We start out at 7 a.m. Temperatures in the 50s. We're going to climb into the mid to upper 70s in the afternoon. Should be a pretty nice day across the area. We're looking at dry weather and sunshine. The radar and satellite image shows pretty quiet weather across the northeast. We are tracking thunderstorms. In fact, some pretty violent weather taking place across Ohio and Indiana. There's a battle zone taking place now between some summer heat, temperatures in the triple digits across parts of the Carolinas today and tomorrow versus the comfortable weather here in the Northeast. Some of this warm weather is going to try to make its way into central New York. It'll fail, but it will at least bring temperatures back into the 80s, the low 80s, as we head later into the week. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tonight we're dry. Again, cool night. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. Beautiful day. Temperatures climb into the upper 70s. Tomorrow night, a warm front moves through. This means some clouds and perhaps a shower late tomorrow night into early Wednesday. Back to sunshine Wednesday, noticeably warmer and more humid. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. Tonight, mostly clear, down to 48. Beautiful day tomorrow, mostly sunny, 78 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We're warmer on Wednesday and more humid, 83. A cold front arrives Thursday, producing showers, thunderstorms, potentially some strong storms. We're going to keep an eye on that day, 82 for the high. Widespread rain Friday and a drop in the temperature, not feeling very June-like over the weekend, but comfortable temperatures in the upper 60s. Sayara.
Coming up next, an Oneonta man is looking past tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Sayara, we're looking at pretty quiet weather across the area. A nice full moon, or almost full moon, I should say, in the sky tonight. This picture taken by Ruben Pratt. The full moon is technically tomorrow, but you'll get a very nice view of it tonight. This is called the full strawberry moon because this is the time of the year where the strawberries are starting to come out. And we're, again, expecting clear skies tonight as well as tomorrow night. And this is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the region. Temperatures continue to cool off. It was a lovely day. We made it into the mid-70s this afternoon. Our current temperature is 59 degrees, so it is cooling off. You can leave the windows open going to bed tonight. We're looking at overnight lows dropping down into the upper 40s on the cool side for the middle of June. We are tracking some warmer weather ahead. We're also following our next chance of rain. The forecast is coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. Oneida County Youth and
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is the city of Utica from our CAVV tower cam. Conditions tonight, not bad. We're cooling off. Temperatures in the 50s. It is going to be a cool night for the middle of June, but enjoy it. A little bit of natural air conditioning tonight. Wanted to touch upon rainfall in June. This is a look at local totals from the New York State Mesonet. For the first half of June, we have been running wetter than average. Oppenheim getting 5 inches of rain, Herkimer 4.5 inches of rain. A lot of this rain, at least for Oppenheim and Herkimer, half of it fell yesterday. We've been getting some locally high totals, and these numbers here are close to twice what we would consider average here for this part in June. Thankfully, going forward, we're looking at an extended period of drier than average weather, which is much needed. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry. If you have to cut your lawn with the rain over the past couple of weeks, tomorrow, Wednesday, good days to do that. On Thursday, we're tracking some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow. Temperatures start out in the 50s. We'll climb into the upper 70s. We're looking at a little bit of a breeze in the afternoon, not as windy as today. The weather is looking nice, too, throughout the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine. So look at the radar and satellite image. There's a battle zone taking place this week between the cooler air in the Northeast and the hot weather in the Carolinas. North and South Carolina, parts of those areas getting into triple-digit heat over the next couple of days. And between the hot weather in the south and the cool weather in the northeast, we find this battle zone of very, very strong thunderstorms and violent weather taking place in Indiana and Ohio tonight. Some very strong winds with that. That's heading south, so that'll stay away from us. But again, we're going to be on the cooler side of things here for now. Turn Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. Beautiful day tomorrow. Less wind, more sunshine. Highs in the upper 70s. Tomorrow night, a push of some warmer air brings clouds and a few sprinkles. You'll notice an increase in humidity on Wednesday. Wednesday looks nice too, with sunshine and temperatures in the low 80s. Tonight, mostly clear. We're down to 48. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Beautiful afternoon, less wind. High of 78. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. It does get warmer Wednesday and Thursday. We're tracking a few showers and storms late Thursday, rain on Friday, and a big drop in temperature. Only in the upper 60s here as we head into the weekend. Sarah.
a traffic alert for tomorrow morning and the week